What is up, guys? Welcome back. We did a thing, as you heard just a little while ago. We got a Cobb AccessPort, and right now we're just running a stage 1 tune, off-the-shelf tune, just because it's better performance over what Subaru's OEM tune is. But nonetheless, we're still excited for it, and we just got in our vent mount that we're going to be installing, so that way I can pull this AccessPort out of the case and have it mounted up there on the dash so everyone can see that we're fast. But this is just like a short video on an install, and just to give you guys an update that we're waiting on some more parts for the car, a low glow kit, and then the Futo like oil change valve. It's a Christmas present that I've not allowed to open yet, but those are just some of the things to come for the car. But we're just going to go ahead and unbox this mount and then show you guys how to install it. It's not even the mount yet. All right. Well, that was a surprise, because the mount that we ordered from Amazon is supposed to be here today, which it still is, but our package got delivered, and it is the Best Buy Mattel Hot Wheels exclusive. Oh my god, this is so fucking cool. Like, and it comes in like, I don't know, whatever Hot Wheels like special protector. I'm not even mad. I was so ready to install this Cobb app, but now that I see this, that is so fucking cool. I don't know if you guys can get any good video picture out of that, but that is so sweet. That is so beautiful. What a surprise. I was not expecting this, because doing that mail-in rebate, it says you're not going to get this till like, I don't know, 3 weeks after January 7th. But this is fucking dope. I am totally surprised, because I thought this was my mount for the AccessPort, but later on today that'll definitely be here. We'll install that, but sweet. Going? All right, now we're back with the real car part. Well, car accessory to mount for the AccessPort. For that extra Hot Wheel that we have, I'm thinking about doing a raffle for it, so that way another collector out there or another Subaru enthusiast can also have one. All right, sick. Well, probably more to come with that later. Here's some instructions, but you guys know we're YouTube mechanics. We're gonna pop this out. We've seen it in a video and should be good to go from there. There's I don't know why there's two, but I guess you'll pick whichever. This holds the cord for the AccessPort. It's gonna sit right down here. Oh, just like that, somewhere. We'll figure it out. We'll show you guys. But all right, now we're gonna pull off this top vent and then also this trim piece, so that way we can tuck the wiring in there. All right, y'all. My wife left me. No, I'm just kidding. She had a work thing, so she wasn't able to help me record, and I could have done it myself, but I just kind of got elbow deep. And then we had a neighbor come over. They wanted to use a water hose and vacuum out their car. I'm all about helping people, so I was like, hell yeah, just bring that over here. So got kind of distracted from videoing, but it's a really easy install. If you haven't yet, pick up an auto trim removal tool set from Amazon. They're really cheap, and they really come in handy. I use this one to just kind of like press down on the dash, and then it would expose like an opening from the vent. I just put it under there, and then you just pry it out, you pop it out, and then over here, this side panel, you're gonna kind of get underneath it to pry it a little bit, but there's like these two little clips right here where it's gonna pop out, and then this should just come down. There's one screw that goes in here, attaches it here, and then this has 3 clips up on the top where it's gonna just plug in like that, and then these right here will go behind this rubber seal that's here. And then what helped me, because you really can't see under here, but this is the access port plugged in, got the wire zip tied, and then the wire, I don't know if you can see the light shining through here, but the wire just runs up here, and it can, if you're having trouble like seeing in there, you can try feeding the wire down, and you see where it comes out at the bottom. That's what I did, because I was like feeding it up, but I kept missing the opening. But that helped me feeding it down the bottom. Then I could see better and fed it through the top, pull you some excess, and then using a Allen key to tighten up underneath here. There's a support bar. It runs like horizontally, and it just sits underneath like the dash here. It's a little bar. You tighten up the screws and it raises that bar, and now you can see that's nice, tight, snug in there. Depending on where you get this from, I mean, there's no need to like over torque this. It's good on there, secure. You don't need to go breaking like mine. I mean, I'm sure they all are, I don't know, but mine's like a 3D printed one. I don't want to like strip out the little screws or anything. But now I'm going to put this all back together. Here's a clip here, and yeah, that's it. It's a relatively easy install. I'll link where I got this, because it is just a few dollars cheaper than a few other places, and I mean, that definitely help everyone, saving some money, especially holidays or just family events coming up. But all right, let me go ahead and see if I can't set this down and get some footage for y'all. All right, I've got clips in place and it just hangs there. Make sure you don't strip out this screw. Just kind of, you can press the whole like trim dash here, kind of push it forward to line it up a little better. But it's these 4 like clips. Just gonna line them up and then pop them in, and presto, just like that. Man, look at that. We look like we know something about cars, and we look like we're fast, but we're not. Alright, that's it. It's gonna be a wrap. It was a short video because it's a super easy install. Again, I'll link. This isn't from like any kind of like top tier brand name like car part aftermarket company. It's just 3D printed from Amazon. Mike has it on his car, and I mean, it does exactly its job. It's got good reviews, holds up nicely, and like I said, you can save a little extra. They do have some that don't have the magnetic support in the back that are a little cheaper, but I opted for the one with the magnet for the extra support, and it was, I don't know, like $44 or $45. I will say, for anyone who does do this install, make sure when you zip tie the wire, make sure you just leave like enough slack to where, you know, if you do want to pull it out and you want to store it inside, that way you can wiggle it out, and you can kind of pull the wire out. That way you can depress the little clips on the connector and you can take it, or if you get a face plate and you want to, you know, pull it off, just make sure you leave enough wire to where you've got some slack. But later on, like I said, we've got some more videos coming out. Logo kit on my car this weekend. We'll probably do Neil, 2022 BRZ. He got a teen lowering springs for his 2022 BRZ. We're gonna do that, and then just little stuff here and there whenever we're able to purchase stuff. But just wanted to give you guys an update. We'll come out with something to where we'll do a giveaway for that Hot Wheel, so that way anyone watching this who, I don't know, is a faithful subscriber, I guess, if you want to purchase a ticket, we'll do that, so that way everyone has an opportunity to get that Hot Wheel, because that was something that if it weren't for Hot Wheel hunters on TikTok and Instagram, probably would have gone like unnoticed, and then people would have missed out on that. I might even think about doing, I have 3 Hot Wheels signed by Bucky Lasik, so that might be another kind of cool Hot Wheel collector, Subaru enthusiast giveaway that I can do. But hopefully you guys liked the video. If there's any questions, please let me know, and I'll definitely facilitate and help out as much as I can. But hope y'all enjoyed. Peace.